Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the process of creating a form in Monday.com. First things first, log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It only takes a few minutes. This step is crucial as you need an account to access all of Monday.com's features. Now that we've done that, hover over to the left-hand menu and click on the Workspaces tab. This is where all the magic happens. This tab is important because it's where you manage and create your projects. Next up, select or create a new board. Think of a board as a dedicated space for a specific project or topic. It's important to have a specific board for your form so you can easily manage and track responses. Once you've chosen a board, click on the Add View button and select Form. This is where we start to see our form taking shape. The reason we do this is to convert your board into an interactive form that can be filled out by others. Now, you'll see an editable form appear on your screen. The beauty of Monday.com is that it automatically pulls in all of the columns from your board into the form. However, you can customize it by removing, adding, or rearranging fields. Customizing your form ensures it fits your needs perfectly. After customizing, you can enhance your form with a title, description, and a thank you message. This helps us because it provides context and a personal touch to your form, increasing engagement. Lastly, don't forget to save your form. Simply click on the Save button at the top right corner of your screen. This final step is critical as it secures all the changes you've made. And there you have it. You've created a form in Monday.com. This process lets you gather data efficiently and keep track of responses in a structured manner. It's a great tool to streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to experiment and explore Monday.com to maximize its potential. Until next time, happy form creating.